Sunflower oil has a long history, beginning with the bright sunflower native to North America. Sunflowers were first cultivated by indigenous people for their nutritional value. Over time, they spread worldwide and became a key source of healthy oil. Today, sunflower oil is globally prized for its light taste and health benefits. Let's follow its journey from the field to your kitchen. The journey begins with planting sunflower seeds in rich, fertile soil. Farmers tend to the sunflowers, ensuring they receive enough sunlight and water. Sunflowers thrive in the sunlight, their vibrant yellow petals turning towards the sun. As they grow taller, they form a vast golden sea, ready for harvest. Once matured, the sunflowers are harvested using modern machinery for efficiency. The flowers are separated, and the seeds are collected for extraction. Workers remove the seeds carefully, ensuring no damage to the valuable kernels. The seeds are transported to the processing plant, where they will begin their journey to becoming oil. At the plant, the seeds are cleaned and prepared for extraction. The sunflower seeds are pressed using large mechanical presses to extract the oil. The oil is extracted through a pressing process, separating the pure oil from the seed. The oil is then filtered to remove any remaining particles and impurities. To ensure purity, the oil is refined, removing odors and refining the flavor. After refining, the sunflower oil is bottled and labeled for distribution. Bottles are sealed and labeled, ready for sale in markets and supermarkets. Quality control checks ensure that every bottle meets the highest standards. The bottled oil is packed into boxes, ready for transport. Boxes of sunflower oil are loaded onto trucks for distribution across the country. Trucks head out to deliver sunflower oil to various markets and retailers. Sunflower oil arrives at grocery stores, ready for customers to purchase. Sunflower oil is delivered to supermarkets, where it's stocked and ready for sale. Consumers choose sunflower oil for its light taste and health benefits. Bottles of sunflower oil are neatly displayed, showcasing the brand and quality. Professional chefs prefer sunflower oil for its neutral flavor in cooking. Families enjoy healthy meals, cooking with sunflower oil for its heart-healthy properties. Sunflower oil makes every meal healthier and more delicious. Choose sunflower oil for a nutritious and light cooking experience. Our premium sunflower oil is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Try it today and taste the difference in every bite. What food should we make next? Comment below and let us know.